We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello students, I am Professor M.B. Jethwa and today I am going to discuss a topic of the subject mechanical measurement and metrology, and the topic is accuracy and precision. So first take the term accuracy. And to explain this term, I will take an example of measuring the diameter of a shaft. Suppose the diameter of shaft is 25 mm. So that is true value. 25 mm. And when I measure the diameter with vernier caliper, I am getting the result as 26.6 mm. So that is my measured value. So there is a difference between measured value and true value. So as this difference is large, we can say that our measurement or instrument is not accurate because there is a wide difference. As I am measuring the diameter with vernier caliper, this error is large. So what is error? Error is measured value minus true value. So here measured value is 26.6 minus true value is 25 mm. So the difference is 1.6 mm, and that is error. So the error is large. We can say that this instrument is not accurate. Why? Because there is no closeness between measured dimension and actual dimension. So accuracy refers to closeness of measured value with true value. That means to determine accuracy, measured value. So if the value of error is large, then instrument or measurement is not accurate. But if the error is 0 or near to 0, then we can say that our instrument or measurement is accurate. Now consider second term, precision. Again I am taking same example. There is a shaft of 25 mm diameter and I am measuring different readings again and again on the same shaft. So I am taking 5 measurement. First measurement, suppose 26.6 mm, my second measurement is 26.5 mm. My third measurement is 26.6 mm. My fourth measurement is 26.5 mm, and my fifth measurement is 26.5 mm. Now observe all values that are nearly same. So we can say that it is the ability of instrument to give either same or nearly same values during measurement. So we can say that it is the closeness of each reading with each other, not with true value but with each other. So this ability of instrument or measurement to give same value or nearly same value, that is known as precision. So consider now different cases. Suppose this is my true value, that is 25 mm in our case, and values of my measurements are like this, and the average of this is 26.5 mm. So all these results are either same or nearly same. So this is precision, because measurements are nearly same, and at the same time there is an error or difference between true value and measured value. So in this case we can say that our instrument or process is precise and not accurate. Why not accurate? Because there is difference between measured value and true value. So precise and not accurate. So this is case 1, that measurement or instrument is precise but not accurate. Now consider second case, case number 2. Suppose values of my measurements are like this. So they are far away to each other, so there is no closeness, and this is the mean of measured value, and suppose it is 26.6 mm. So here all measurements or all values are not same or not nearly same to each other, so we can say that it is not precise. And at the same time the difference between measured value and true value is also there. There is a large difference. So in this case instrument or measurement is not accurate. So this is the case of non-precise and non-accurate measurement or instrument. Now consider third case, case number 3. Suppose I am taking the different measurements and its value is 25.1 mm. That is the mean of measured value, and here the line of true value, that is 25 mm. So all these readings or measured values are either same or nearly same, so it is the case of precision, and at the same time there is no difference or very minor difference between measured value and true value. So in this case we can say that our measurement or instrument is precise and accurate. So this is the case of instrument or measurement to be precise and at the same time it is also accurate. Now consider another case, case number 4. That this is my true value, that is 25 mm, and I am taking the measurement, and the average of this measurement is 24.9 mm. So here measure values are scattered, so they are not near to each other. So it is the case of non-precision, and same time there is a minor difference between true value and measure value. So we can say that it is the case of precision or precise and not precise and accurate. That measurement or instrument is accurate, but at the same time it is not precise. Why not precise? Because different dimensions are scattered, so that they are not same or nearly same, but the value or the error between measured value and true value is very less. That is why our instrument is accurate. So what is accuracy? Accuracy refers to closeness between measured value and true value. And what is precision? Precision means closeness between two or more measured values and measured values to each other, not with true value. So precision is not related to true value, but it is related with measurements, and there is and their comparison with each other, not with true value. So I have tried to explain the terms accuracy and measurement, and also I have tried to differentiate between accuracy and precision, and I hope you will now understand the difference and accuracy and precision, and also difference between them. Thank you.